Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is David Novak. I have been reading Other Minds by Peter Godfrey-Smith, and I would like to read a small excerpt from that. This is from the chapter From White Noise to Consciousness, which is, I believe, the fourth one. Yeah. So, the senses can do their basic work, and actions can be produced, with all this happening in silence as far as the organism's experience is concerned. Then, at some stage in evolution, extra capacities appear that do give rise to subjective experience. The sensory streams are brought together, an internal model of the world arises, and there's a recognition of time and self. What we experience in this view is the internal model of the world that complex activities in us produce and sustain. Feeling starts there, or at least it begins to creep into existence when these capacities creep into existence in the brains of monkeys and apes, dolphins, perhaps other mammals, and some birds. So the thought that arises in me is that in us human beings, we take that internal model a step further, and we have sort of an exoskeleton, all of our libraries and books with information about the world. Those are our exoskeleton of the internal model. And then periodically, it's just too much stuff to sustain. So a poet comes along, poetry being an assimilative art, and sucks it all together into one piece. And then as people read it, then that gets assimilated by each individual reader. A biologist might think that that's sort of absurd. This author is a philosopher, by the way, not a biologist, but the book is dealing with biology to some degree. Anyhow, it's being a very good read so far. Thank you for stopping by my channel.